A shopkeeper has three varieties of pens A, B, and C. Minu purchased one pen of each variety for a total of rupees 21. Jeevan purchased 4 pens of A variety, 3 pens of B variety, and 2 pens of C variety for rupees 60. While Siksha purchased 6 pens of A variety, 2 pens of B variety, and 3 pens of C variety for rupees 70. Using matrix method, find cost of each variety of pen. See, let the cost of varieties of pen A, B and C be rupees X, rupees Y and rupees Z respectively. So from the question, Minu purchased one pen of each variety for a total rupees 21. That means X plus Y plus Z, which is equal 21. Jeevan purchased 4 pens of variety A, that means 4X, 3 pens of variety B, 3Y, and 2 pens of C variety, that means 2Z, which is equal 60. While Siksha purchased 6 pens of variety A, that means 6X plus 2 pens, 2Y, and 3 pens of C variety, that means 3Z, which is equal 70. The given system of linear equation in matrix equation is as follows: Ax, which is equal to B. What is A here? A, which is equal the coefficient matrix 1 1 1 4 3 2 6 2 3. Then X matrix is X, Y, Z. And then B matrix, it's a constant matrix 21, 60, and 70. So determinant of A, which is equal. Now let us find the determinant of this matrix A by expanding the first row. So for 1 into 3 3s are 9 minus 4. And then minus 1 into 4 into 3, 12. And then minus 6 into 2, 12. And then plus 1 into 4 into 2, 8. And then minus 6 3s are 18. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 into 1, 5. 12 minus 12, 0 into minus 1, 0. 8 minus 18, minus 10 into 1, minus 10. 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5. This 5 is not equal to 0. That means we can find the A inverse. Next, let us find the adjoint of A by using the shortcut method. Now consider this matrix. Start with the center row, center element. First 3. And then 2. And then 4. And then 3. Now go to the next row. Center element is 2. After 3, it is 6. After that, 2. Now go for the first row. Center element 1, and then 1, and then 1, and then 1. Next, go for the center row. Next row. Middle element is 3, and then 2, and then 4, and then 3. Next, do the cross multiplication. Adjoint of A, which is equal. Now, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 2s are 4. 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. Next, 2 6 are 12, minus 4 3s are 12. That is 0. 4 2s are 8, minus 6 3s are 18. That is minus 10. Next, 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 into 3, 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 3 into 1, 3, minus 1 into 6, 6, that is minus 3. 6 into 1, 6, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, that is 4. Next, 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, that is minus 1. 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 1, minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 into 3, 3, minus 4 into 1, 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. A inverse, which is equal 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. That is 1 divided by determinant of A. What is determinant of A? Minus 5. So 1 divided by minus 5 into adjoint of A. 5, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 10, 4, minus 1. X, which is equal A inverse into B. Here what is A inverse? 1 divided by minus 5 into 5, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 10, 4, minus 1 into B matrix. What is B matrix? 21, 60, 70. So 1 divided by minus 5. Multiply this first row with the column. 5 into 21. 5, 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into 60, minus 60. Minus 1 into 70, minus 70. Now multiply the second row with this column. 0 into 21, 0. Minus 3 into 60, minus 180. 2 into 70, 140. Minus 10 into 20, minus 210. 4 into 60, 240. Minus 1 into 70, minus 70. 1 divided by minus 5. So 105, minus 60, minus 70. That is minus 25. Minus 180 plus 140, minus 40, minus 210 plus 240, 30, 30 minus 70, minus 40. So minus 25, minus 40, minus 40. Take this 1 by minus 5 inside and multiply with each element. So everything will become positive. 25 by 5, 5. 40 by 5, 8. 40 by 5, again 8. So what is left hand side? X. So therefore, x value is X, Y, Z, and then right hand side 5, 8, 8. When two matrices are equal, then the respective elements are equal. So this implies X equal to 5, Y is equal to 8, Z equal 8. Therefore, what is X? That is the cost of the variety A. So the cost of pin A is rupees 5. Cost of pin B is rupees 8. Cost of pin C is rupees 8.